How'd you do that?
No.
Oh. Snow and put.
Hey, don't eat. No, don't eat.
Look, see the ling ling. Isn't this cool? Halia, no, don't eat it. Halia's still eating it. She has some in her mouth.
Shh. Huwag masyadong malakas din.
But the one she ate had grass in it. See, the ling ling, the one she ate was yellow and it had grass in it.
Kinakain nga, oh.
May kinuha nga akong malaki.
This is what you do now. You get the ball, flap, gather it up. I got some right here. Come on, just
Put your gloves on.